Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Leslie.
And we are the founders of Sipsations.
And today is Wine Wednesday.
Yay!
Yay!
Our favorite day.
Happy Wine Wednesday.
Today we are going to share with you a brand new cocktail just in time for Valentine's Day.
Yay! And it's fun, flirty, feminine, floral, and that's almost all of our favorite F words.
Almost. Best of all, it's pink.
Yay!
Yay.
We call it the Flirt, and now we're going to show you how to make it.
Yes. Okay, first of all, we're going to start with something that might seem a little crazy, but trust us on this. It's just like you made your own strawberry puree, but so much easier. It's strawberry topping.
Yes.
The stuff that goes on top of ice cream sundaes. I know, right?
Easy enough.
Yeah, it's like...
mind blown.
Yeah, so easy. You just use 2 teaspoons per serving. To start with this, put a little dollop at the bottom of your glass.
Kind of adds like an extra garnish to the, not only flavor, but garnish and look to our drink.
A little texture.
And now for the wine, we are using a Rosé. We prefer the French style. It's lighter in color, pretty in pink. And we're going to mix a couple ingredients in the shaker, starting with 4 ounces of Rosé.
Yeah. And then we have half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is always best.
Yes.
And then half teaspoon of simple syrup for some sweetness.
Awesome. Now we're going to combine all of these in our fancy shaker.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Muscle work. Oh, it feels chilled. It's chilling my hand. Whoop, whoop.
Okay.
Just trying not to do
pour it in your glass.
Now we're going to split this up into 2 of our fancy cocktail glasses. I will fill that one back up. Don't you worry. We got to even this out.
Fine, I trust you. Okay.
And because it's never Valentine's Day or a celebration without something fizzy or bubbly, we are going to top it off with some club soda. And we are topping it off with the club soda and not shaking with it because we have learned from past mistakes.
Yeah, because we always have a chemical reaction. Yeah, so.
And now you can always garnish with whatever you have on hand. Today we have some fresh thyme. But I really think like an edible flower would be nice. But, you know, a little green, a little red, or a Valentine's Day. Use it as a little stir stick.
Or you could garnish with strawberries, like fresh strawberries. Cut in little heart shapes.
Cute. Extra work and cute.
Extra work, but cute. Okay,
cheers.
Cheers.
Now see, I like the idea of the garnish and then I can't drink it. Divine.
It's so good. It's
So
really
good.
light and refreshing. You might want to stir it a little bit.
I'm going to stir my strawberry puree on the bottom just because it's going to add it's going to solidify the flavor. No, that's not the right word. It's going to combine it all.
Combine, meld.
Whatever. It's going to mesh the flavor together.
Yes.
And look how pretty.
Look at that. It's pink.
And that took us like 2 seconds of opening a jar. And you can also add the strawberry topping to your dessert after Valentine's Day. Ice cream, brownies. I love brownie bites. Brownie bites with vanilla ice cream and chocolate fudge. Now I want that.
Oh, yum. So we just gave you a cocktail and a dessert for Valentine's Day.
Yes, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
And look how easy that was. So our ingredients that we shared with you was for what we call a typical serving because it's about 6-7 ounces of fluid, but
Total.
we have split it in our fancy coupe glasses because we're drinking in style today.
Yes, we are. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And happy Wine Wednesday.
Happy Wine Wednesday. Now, make your gals feel special or that special somebody in your life and make them a little pretty cocktail.
It's called the Flirt.
The Flirt.
Because you want to flirt after you drink it.
And it tastes flirty and sassy.
So good.
Cheers. Cheers, guys. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.